So before we met, I was at the $10,000 to $15,000 level a month. I had a roughly 4,000 person list, all customers. I started working with Mario extensively. I invested heavily in the relationship and put a lot into it. Over the first 12 months, I grew to maybe 15,000 buyers. My monthly revenue, it fluctuated between 30 and 50,000 a month. By the end of the year, I had not only hit a 50,000 month, I had built, in essence, I had an annual gross revenue of over 7.
Just here, wanted to give a shout out to Mario Brown. Been buying his products, been having a lot of good results, and I've happened to run into him at a seminar, happen chance, and if you're thinking about learning some techniques about Google Places and internet marketing, definitely give Mario Brown a look. His information is good, he's solid, and good guy to follow. So thank you, Mario. Appreciate your products. Look forward to new stuff.
Hey, it's me, Mario, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you for your trust and thank you for being on board. We know that you will absolutely love this software package. Now in this short video, I'm going to give you the opportunity to get the Pro version for all 4 of the apps for one low price, and the right to resell each of these Pro features as well. Welcome to the official White Label Studio Pro Reseller Package, where you get the opportunity to use all of the Pro and advanced features for your own business for all 4 apps, and the right to resell them to your prospects and clients as well. Now, why is this such a big deal? Because you will save hundreds of dollars, you will have happy clients, and you will get fast and better results with each app. Right now, you own the basic version of each app, but you and your clients don't have access to any of the extra features and perks. For example, 360 virtual tour client export feature, additional video agency animations, more interactive call to actions, high-speed video and banner rendering, additional banner templates and dimensions, team collaboration feature for all of the apps, 5,000 stock videos, 50,000 HD stock images, and the list goes on and on. This is just scratching the surface. Not only can you use these features now for each of the apps, you can also resell these features to your prospects and to your clients. This means more money for you, better results, and happy clients. Everyone always asks us, which version of the app can I resell? Well, with this Pro upgrade, you can resell the best version of each app. And here's the best part. Normally you have to purchase the Pro version for each individual app. So that is an investment of 4 times $97 for a total of $388. But to celebrate this insane launch, we are offering you all 4 Pro versions for one crazy low price. Plus the right to resell the Pro version to all of your prospects. Wow, what a deal. Go ahead and check the details below this video, but I'm sure that by now you can see the incredible potential here. Make more money by upselling more features to your clients. Get better results for your own business. Save almost $400. It's a total no-brainer. My Virtual Tours, Videomatic, Videos Agency, and Easy Banners Pro. You get the best version for each of them for one low price, including the right to resell this best version of each app to your clients' own freelance sites. Here's a reminder again of just some of the extra features you get access to. More interactive call to actions, slick additional virtual tour features, 360 virtual tour client export feature, additional videos agency niches, high-speed video and banner rendering, additional banner templates and dimensions, advanced stats and analytics, team collaboration feature, 5,000 stock videos, 50,000 stock images, and the list goes on and on. And remember, this was just a snapshot. So let's recap this real quick. If you take action right now, you get the ability to 10x your income potential immediately. Access more features, more templates, generate more traffic, more leads, and more profits for you and your clients, thanks to this Pro version for each app. Fair warning though, this deal is only good during this launch special. And every day during this launch, the price for this incredible package goes up, no exceptions. Of course, you're also covered by a rock-solid, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So take action right now, seize this opportunity with both hands, and start generating profits immediately. Sign up right now before this launch special is over and this deal is gone.